Hello there, everybody. Right now, I'm excited. And you may be wondering, well, why would you be excited? Well, as it turns out, the end to the polar vortex may just be right at our doorstep. So, highs tomorrow for Montana could reach into the 40s. This will be the first 40s in a long time. This will be a very welcome break from the cold, and not to mention, maybe just a bit of that snow may melt as well. Just a bit less, work right there. Yes, I know it'd be chilly in the south, but I mean, come on, the north needs a break as well. And then, for Friday, still cold up here, but it's starting to get a bit warmer than compared to the other days. Gets a bit cooler here, but then up to 40-degree temps possible towards central South Dakota, so it may not seem too warm, but it's just enough to melt any ice on the roadways and maybe even just a bit of snow. However, though, Saturday, things could reach up to the mid 40s in central South Dakota, some 30s here, could melt just a teensy bit of that snow. Because 30 is cold, but when you've been in the sub-zeros for a long time, when the sun rays hit the roadway actually warms up pretty fast. And then widespread 40s here in eastern Montana, even some 50s here. So pretty warm. But to get this, on Sunday, highs in the mid 50s possible for South Dakota. And I'm telling you right now, typically temperatures are at bare minimum pretty slightly warmer than what the National Weather Service says. I mean, one time they were calling for a high of 44 and got into the 50s. So, but typically it's only about like 3 to 4 degrees higher, but that's still warmer. So, technically we could be seeing upper 30s or even right around 40 here in Wisconsin. In South Dakota, honestly, I would not be surprised if we got some temperatures close, if not up to 60. And then Monday, things cool down a bit, but it will still be in the 50s. So right around 54. So definitely quite a bit of snow melting. You'll notice it starts cooling down here, but then here warms up some lower to even some mid 40s possible towards Michigan and Wisconsin. Could see 50s down here, even some 60s down towards Kansas. Woo! Talk about warmth. Warmth and the relief. It then starts cooling down, but I mean, still could be pretty decently warm. I'm gonna release a outlook this weekend, but looks like March is the rest of February and March will be a back forth situation for the entire northern US. So some days will be warm and others will be chilly and cold. But then as we head into April, then they'll start staying consistently warm. And then down the south, it just ultimately depends on storm. One storm may not affect temperatures too much, and another could bring a huge surge of cold air. So again, just ultimately depends on the storm. So that's the video. Oh wait, actually, and I'll just show you just that. So cold, 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 warm, ooh, warmer, ooh, and then surge of cold air, boo. But then warm, warm, cold, cold, warm, warm, ooh, we're getting there, ooh, and nope, nope, you had to ruin that, dang it. But then, da-da, some mid 50s. So, and then again, I will show you just how much of a back and forth rocking horse situation this will be. So, boom, 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 boom. Revs jabbing into Texas and North Dakota. Boom, 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 boom. Then here's cold air coming up and down throughout the northern U.S. Then again, there could be surges of warmth and cold, warmth and cold, warmth and cold. So that's the video for today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you're informed. This is not a confirmed thing, but it is starting to look likely.